If you are watching this recording, that means you want to create project number one. If you are watching this recording, that means you want to create project number one. Project number one is already available in your mailbox. Project number one is already available in your mailbox. So the first step that you need to do is when you get this email, download this file. Download this file. I click on download, and when I click on download, it is automatically downloaded. Open this PowerPoint presentation. Just click on top of it and it will automatically open in front of you. This is the graph which you need. This is the dashboard which you need to design. All the information are already available over here, but some let me explain you some points which can be hurdles for you, which can be obstacles for you. Let me explain those points to you. So let me go to the Power BI first. I click on blank report, get data, Excel workbook. I click on download, and in download, this is the sales data Pepsi. This is the file. Open it. I click on this table. Now load and transform data. I click on load. Let it load. Meanwhile, I go here. The first point is I'm going to show you how to create this slicer. How to create this slicer. Second, I'm going to show you how to create this kind of cards. How to create this kind of cards. The third, I'm going to show you this graph. So these three things I'm going to show you in this small recording. Let me go to Power BI. The first step is you need to create the canvas. So I go to canvas setting, custom 1020. I go to view, page view, fit to width. Perfect. Now go to table 1 and choose beverage brand. Perfect. Now choose slicer. Choose slicer. This is the slicer. Good. You can go to slicer setting, choose it a tile. Slicer header, remove it. Values, make it little big. I just increase this. I just go here and can you see? This is your slicer. Now, done. Now, next point is I want to create these cards. Sum of price per unit, sum of units sold, sum of revenue. So you click outside here, sum of price per unit. I click here. This is a sum of price per unit. Good. Now, sum of units sold. So if you want to click here, go to category, label, size and style, choose borders, visual border on. Okay. Now, units sold. Units sold. Perfect. Now, revenue. Revenue. Let me choose the visual border on for this as well. Now, you don't have the revenue here. Can you see? You don't have the revenue here. So, how to create the revenue? Revenue means unit sold multiplied by price per unit. Unit sold multiplied by price per unit. So, go to home, choose transform data, transform, go to go to add column. After you click on add column, then what you need to do, my dear, click on price per unit and press the control button and click on unit sold. Then what you need to do next, go to standard, choose multiply. When you do this, you get another column. Just rename it to, right click, rename, and rename it to revenue. Now click on home, click on close and apply. When you do this, you will automatically get revenue. You will automatically get revenue. So here we have revenue. I click on it. Now, these values, can you see? These values does not, these value not at all look, not at all the same like this. Here you have 2,000,000, 3,000,000, 343.10. Why this is like this? Because Dasani water is selected. Dasani water is selected. So let me click on Dasani water. Let me click on Dasani water. Let me choose visual border on. Let me click on Dasani water. Can you see? 3 million here, fine. 343.10, fine. But this one is showing 1.64. I want 2 million. It is simple. Go to call out value and in value decimal place, make it 0. 2 million. Now, the last requirement which I want to explain you is to how to create this graph. This is a very simple graph, but the main problem is here it is sorted by month. January, February, December. It is also very easy. This is also very easy. Choose revenue, choose revenue, and go to this date and choose month. When you choose month, can you see you got like this? Convert it to a stacked column chart and you have this graph available. This is your graph. Now, look and feel and other stuff that you need to do by your own. And the only thing that is pending now is this pie chart. I think that is quite easy to do. So that's it. Thank you, everyone.